Hello, everyone. So today's Tuesday, April 25th. We're going over our daily recap today. Today we had obviously, as you can see here, a bearish trend day all day. Um, Market is down 1.5% on SPY, $6 in total. Um, so let's go over the trades I had, what I did right, what I did wrong, what I need to work on. So I came into today kind of being bearish around 411. Now, with this said, for some specific reason, well, first let me go back a little bit. Forgive me for all the white lines. These are just my supports and resistances. I clean them up every few days. But as you can see, going across, they've been pretty key. So we opened here. I used range break lines, the first range break. In this case, we range broke right here. So 410.67 was my range break line, which we did. 410.27 was my range breakdown, which we did obviously later in the day. And then we bear flagged and obviously rejected here to go down even more. But for some reason, I took this range break trade and I took it a little bit high. I was waiting for that 411 level. Thought we were going to see some, push through, and we did not. I took 412 calls. That didn't work out. And I think I lost about 19% right before I sold. Obviously, as you could see on this next candle, we had a big sell, then we had that bear flag. I should have taken puts off this, and you're going to see here on the algo. Oops, sorry about that. You're going to see here on the algo, we had a short here and a short here. Now, hedge pressure was at 411, and again, that's why I was kind of leaning bearish. I was seeing downside in names like Apple and Nvidia, AMD, and you can kind of go on, and Amazon, another key example. And you can see going into the rest of the day, we just had beautiful short signals on the algo. We had some long signals that this one I actually did trade, and I'll go over that trade in a second. But again, I kind of try. I don't like to play the range break when it's so close to the opening price, and in this case, it hurt me. That's kind of a rule I have, and I did it, and I broke my rule. So that's where it got me, and I should have waited to see truly how that 411 reacted. It obviously broke down, and we are down $5 from there. So going into my next trade at just about here, I actually got it here off of a key 409.30 support. We started to see, and on smaller time frame, during the day, we started to see some reversals in some of these names. I remember Microsoft and Google being two of them. Tesla was strong as well. Let's go back really quick. Yep, you see Microsoft, you see Google, same thing, same time. Tesla was another name. And you can see Tesla started to break up here. So that's why I took that long. Also was an algo long, and that went up to about here. We got about 27% on that play, I think, just about. And then I took one more trade, and that was a short just before 2 p.m. So just before 2 p.m. on this little bear flag we had here, and I sold around here. That was just about another 28 or 29% play. So I lost about 19%, made about two trades around 27, 28%. In total, I should have had a better day. I missed a large opportunity to short near the top and actually even short here. And again, the algo was short there. I should have taken this trade. It bounced off this was my lower range break level at open. As you can see, we bear flagged here. We tried to break above, seeing if we were going to bounce, and we rejected it and just died. Should have taken that trade. It is what it is. You move on to the next trade. Can't think about, you can't go back and, cry about what you missed on. You got to go back, learn what you could do better, grow from it, and become a better trader. And that's exactly why I want to do these daily recaps so you guys can see, what I did right, what I did wrong, and work on it yourself and see it for yourself. But yeah, I just want to keep these short and simple, under 5 to 6 minutes. Tomorrow, we're looking to see what Microsoft and Google does. I will be posting a newsletter tonight. By the way, biggest key level that I wanted to talk about and that I had on my weekly levels and the weekly newsletter and the daily newsletter is 4130. This 4130 level is massive. And under that, I was saying we'd go short. Again, I did not do it. I went against my own thesis and just didn't follow it. And you could see, obviously, I'm a little upset about that. Again, I'm 2 for 3 for the day, but just not happy with where, it planned out. Um, so we learn, we grow, and, we push to be better. So tomorrow, see where Microsoft and Google lead us and see where SPY takes us. Qs are a little weak today, SPY's weak, VIX is near 20. So we'll see how it all plays out. Have a great night, everyone.